A final question that you might have is, why do we care so much about the population? Why don't we just stick to analyzing our samples and limit ourselves to that? And the reason that we care so much about the population, the reason we want to estimate the parameters for the population, is that if we can do that, then we can think about the frequency of different scores in the population. And that means we can think about the probability of getting those scores in our samples. And then we can think about the probability of getting a sample. We say, what are the odds of getting a sample that looks like this based on what we know about the population? And that's going to be really important when it comes to comparing samples. So I have two samples, and they differ in some way, and I want to know what are the odds that this difference is just random chance from drawing two samples from the population versus maybe there was some intervention or some manipulation for one sample, and I want to know if it had an effect. Well, in order to assess that, I need to know the odds of getting those samples from the population. And that's why estimating the parameters of the population is so important.